Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a final update to the Dirty Dancing 57 Chevy. And there's not really enough of this model to do a full slideshow out of, so I wanted to just kind of take a look at it and tell you about some of the final details that I added to it. So first up, taking a look at the front of the car, I did the front badge with some gold paint, and I did the grille with a wash of the Tamiya panel liner. Did the side gills here with the same gold paint. Taking a look inside, I did all the painting in here with satin black and some bare metal foil and Molotow liquid chrome. The white areas are the original plastic because this kit was actually cast with a pretty nice sheen to it. Going around back, another gold painted badge, which these were kind of a pain in the neck to get, but not too bad. Also got a screen accurate license plate there. All the rest of the body trim was done with bare metal foil. And, you saw the underside in my chassis video, but take another final look at that. And yeah, so there we go. Overall, it is a really nice kit. There are some things that didn't come out exactly how I wanted. Like I wish that the badges on the front and rear were a little bit sharper, but all in all, I'm generally pretty happy with how this came out. So that's it for this project. I will be back with another new project next week, so check back then, and thanks for watching.